Hi viewers, welcome to penhouse.in. In this video, we are going to see a short review on Gama number 5 fountain pen, which is in a transparent body and with a orange color cap. The cap also looking like a little transparent view, and this has a silver clip and a silver ring on the body on the cap. And here there is also a same similar design of this cap, and this is also in a threading mechanism which has a silver clip. These are for the well aesthetic for this pen, and the cap held on the body with thread mechanism. You have to unscrew the cap to open this, and this is number 4 nib, which is a fine tip gold plated one, and you can swap the nibs as you like since we have number 4 nibs in many brands. And in fine, medium, and with gold, dual tone, and silver plated nibs we have. And to check those, you can go to our site and click pen spares, then go to nibs, and then you can use a filter and make a query on what you require. Now to the diameters of this holding area is 8.5 mm, and the body is 11.1 mm, and the length of this pen without cap it is 121.6 mm. With cap it is 133.9 mm, and with this diameter and the measurements you can get some idea about the holders or pouches for this pen. And for the pouch spares, you can go to our site and check that we are having a 4 pen or a double pen pouch or single pen pouches also. And as this holding area diameter is a smaller one, a medium one, this pen is more suitable for little fingers and for children, school children, and for college adult little children also. And on pen maintenance, please wash the pens regularly, that is twice a month, because all the dye-based ink like our Brill, Suleka, or our penhouse ink, they will precipitate on the longer usage, so it will block the ink's passage in the feeder, so you will get a scratchy writing, and the ink may dry quickly, and then you may have to shake the pens for the ink flow to come out. And the reason is the blockage in the feeder screw. So to clean the deposits and dirts, please remove the feeder and the nib unit separately by holding this together and twist and pull it out. And after removing, flush the feeder with the help of the toothbrush or any brush and clean it well with soap water or in tap water. If you're soaking in soap water, then allow it for an hour and brush and clean. In some ink bottles itself, you can notice on every fill it is recommended to clean the pen with water. So here it is a Brill ink bottle, so here it is given. Clean your pen well with water before filling with Brill ink. It is unique formulation, prevents clogging and aids quick on drying paper. So it is clear. Unless otherwise we have a good cleaning and maintenance, the flow will be affected. And again on maintenance, all the threads are turned to worn out. So to increase the life of the thread, please apply silicone grease or Vaseline over this thread portion whenever you are opening and closing for the ink fill. And whenever you're filling the ink, fill below the inner threads. If you fill in excess, the leakage path will create it and you will spoil your hands. And also few nibs need to be fine-tuned. And few nibs need to be fine-tuned. Like you have to do this in up and down, so it will create some space in between the tines, so we will get a good ink flow, and the writing will be so smooth. And here I'm going to give the writing sample of this. And for today's writing, I'm going to use our Penhouse violet color ink. Wow, extraordinary smooth writing. and the flow is coming out very well. Yeah, the writing is so awesome. And if you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can make a call to a mobile number. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.